I've been asked many times how Melt is different from other programs that use a roller. First, Melt is not foam rolling, but rather a much more comprehensive program. We're addressing the connective tissue with Melt. Connective tissue surrounds, supports, and protects literally every other system of your body. From your skin to your bones, joints, and muscles, even your nervous, digestive, cardiovascular, respiratory, and vestibular systems. Melt helps those systems work in a more integrative and efficient way. Here we can see the connective tissue around the blood vessels. It's kind of cool to see, right? On the other hand, foam rolling only works to increase blood flow to the muscles, and it can be quite painful. The tools we use for the over 60 unique Melt techniques were designed specifically for Melt, based on the latest connective tissue research. Researchers have discovered that the connective tissue has a built-in protective response to prevent injury. So if you go in too deep too fast, like with the harder traditional rollers, you're actually perpetuating inflammation, stalling out the healing process, and causing a lot of stress for your body. Not to mention, research has found that those rollers can inhibit athletic performance and actually increase the likelihood of becoming injured. Whereas the tools of Melt were designed to have just the right density, coupled with specific techniques to allow your body to adapt in its own time for lasting change. So the gentle approach really is the way to go. In addition to alleviating pain and stress, practicing self-care via the Melt method can help improve the quality of your sleep and digestion, boost your metabolism and strengthen your immune system, boost your body's efficiency and significantly increase your energy. Melt improves your body's healing potential, can improve athletic performance, improve the results of your workouts, and even decelerate the aging process. So it's not any form of exaggeration when I say Melt changed my life and what my body is capable of. I came to Melt out of personal necessity. At that time, I had been a massage therapist for just over 10 years. And from the repetition of my job and the active lifestyle that I've lived pretty much my whole entire life, it was starting to catch up with me. So I had aches and pains in my joints, especially my lower back. I went from one summer riding my bike 30 miles at a time to the following summer walking half a mile before it really started to scream at me. And getting ready to turn 30, feeling like you're about to be 90, it just wasn't cutting it for me. So I began to just tinker around with some of the very simple techniques, and within 3 weeks, the pain that I'd struggled with for 6 months was entirely gone. And when I find something that works that well for myself, I want to share it with as many people as I can. Want to try a few of the techniques and feel the difference Melt can make for your body and sense of well-being? Come to our free introduction to the Melt Method event Saturday, September 15th, 3 to 3:45 at Southside Dojo. Pre-registration is encouraged and appreciated to ensure we have enough space and tools for everyone. Visit www.backtolifebodyworks.com to reserve your spot.